Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer photos with Apple Photos Library to external drive, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Apple Photos application on your Mac. Ensure you are logged into your Apple ID to access your photo library. Select the Photos tab in the sidebar if it's not already visible. Choose the photos you want to transfer to the external drive. You can click on individual photos while holding the Command key for multiple selections. Alternatively, select a range of photos by clicking the first photo, holding down the Shift key, and clicking the last photo in that range. Once you've made your selections, go to the top menu and click on File. Choose the Export option from the drop-down menu. Next, select Export Number Photos to export the selected images. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to select the desired file format. You can choose from JPEG, TIFF, or PNG. Adjust the quality settings if needed, then click Export. In the next prompt, select Desktop or navigate to the external drive you have connected. If your external drive is not showing, ensure it is properly connected and mounted. Create a new folder on your external drive if you wish to keep your photos organized. Once you've chosen the destination, click Open or Choose. The exporting process will begin, and a progress bar will appear. Wait until the export is complete to ensure all selected photos are copied. Once finished, navigate to the external drive folder where you saved the photos to verify they have been transferred correctly. Eject the external drive safely before disconnecting it from your Mac. Your photos are now successfully transferred to the external drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.